everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button, and today I will be showing you all how I make my collapsible can coolers. So this is the design that the customer wants. They want the design on camo, so I will show you all how I do that. So these are the collapsible ones, so they just open up like that. I will also make sure that I link everything in the description, so make sure that you go and check that out if you are interested in making collapsible can coolers. So I already have a canvas saved for the design. I make my designs in Procreate on my iPad, and then I transfer them to Cricut Design Space. And so I already have these saved, but if you are looking to create a new one, you just go there and then canvas, and then it should pop up a blank one. So now this is the design that the customer wants, so I'm just going to detach, which is down here. So I'm just going to detach everything and then just make these not visible. And then I'm doing that over there, and you just want to click the little eye. So now that is what I'm left with, and then I will do that. And then once you have the design and it's ready to go, you want to go up in the corner and then press make it. And then this should pop up, and when you are working with HTV, which is what I use for the collapsible can coolers, you want to make sure that you mirror the image so you can actually read it and it's not like backwards. So here's the mirror, and then it should flip it, and then we go to continue, and then it will connect to your Cricut machine. So the next step is to cut your vinyl roll, and I get my HTV from Amazon, and once again I will have this linked in the description. And you want to cut it to the size that you need. And then I also have my mat. I don't use the Cricut brand mat. I use the Nakapa. So I will just start cutting it, and you want to make sure that when you're doing HTV, the shiny side is down. Okay, and then I just cut it. And now we are ready to put the mat into the machine. So you want to make sure that you change your material setting. So when I do HTV, I normally do the iron-on plus. So I will turn it one more, and then it should be the plus. But you can always play around with the settings, but this is just what I use. So now it is connected and ready to go. So then you just want to feed everything in. And then once it's in, you just want to press the flashing button, and then it will start cutting. Okay, so once it's done, then you just unload the mat, and then your design is ready to weed. Okay, so now I will just cut off the excess. And now we are ready to weed. And when I am weeding HTV, I normally use this just to catch like all of the little cutouts. So now I will start weeding, and I just go from the side. I know it's been a little bit since I have made a YouTube video, and I apologize for that. I recently graduated with my master's, and so I was really just focusing on finishing school and finishing my placement. But now that it is summer, I will have more time to make some videos for you guys. And I am a little bit more careful around the letters just to make sure that I don't miss anything. So I will just keep on doing this until it is all weeded. And then this part lifted up, so then I will just go and fix that. Okay, so now that is all weeded. So this is what it looks like. And now I am going to line up the design onto the can cooler. Okay, so now I am going to turn on my heat press, and this is the heat press that I use. So I'm just going to lift it up and then turn it on and just wait for it to heat up. Okay, so I normally have the setting at 305 degrees for 15 seconds. And then I just place the can coolers onto the heat press and make sure that these aren't touching, because then they will get stuck. And then I just pull it down and then let it count down. And then I lift it up and I just let it cool a little bit. And then I come back to it and then I take like this little sheet off. Okay, so now I am just going to peel the design off. I just do it slowly. So then that is what it looks like. And then I am going to peel this one off. And try to do that slowly because the E was lifting up. Okay. So now that I have that little sheet off of it, I do heat press it again because sometimes the little letters lift up. And I use the Teflon sheet and I just put that over it and then heat press it again for the same degree and the same amount of time. And then once this is done, then the can cooler should be good to go. So then I just remove the Teflon sheet and this is how it looks. And this is the other one that I have an order for that I already pre-cut. So now these are good to go, and then I will just package them. And so the way that I package my can coolers, I have cardstock, and then I just put my logo stamp on it, and I just put them in there. Okay, so then we got that one in there. And I don't ship my can coolers in a box. I use a poly mailer, and these are the perfect size. I will also have these linked as well. So I put in my thank you card and then business card, and then on the back of my thank you cards I have like a little print, so I normally put the print up just so they can see that, and then I put my business card, and then on top I just put the can cooler. So then I just package that up, and then I also write on the poly bag, and if I have more than one can cooler that I'm doing, just so I remember which one that I am doing. So I have that. I just have to print the shipping labels and put those on, and they are good to go. Thank you all for watching this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you want to see any other videos or if you have any questions. I do have some other videos explaining how I make my silicone beaded products, as well as how I make my foam old school can coolers, so make sure that you go and check out that video. And thank you again, and I hope you all have a great day.